Question: find a such that integration of 0 to a square root e power 2x plus e power minus 2x plus 2 dx is equals to 3 by 2. It is given that integration of 0 to a square root of e power 2x plus e power minus 2x plus 2 dx is equal to 3 over 2. So this is integration of 0 to a e power 2x plus e power minus 2x plus 2 power 1 by 2 dx is equal to 3 by 2. Now integration of 0 to a, so inside the square root you multiply and divide by e power 2x, that is e power 2x into e power 2x plus e power minus 2x plus 2 over e power 2x power 1 by 2 dx is equal to 3 by 2. So we multiplied and divided by e power 2x inside the square root. Now this is equal to integration of 0 to a, this e power, if you take out e power 2x inside the bracket, this becomes e power 4x plus e power 2x e power minus 2x is 1 plus 2 times e power 2x over e power 2x power 1 by 2 dx is equal to 3 by 2. Now this is equal to integration of 0 to a, so the numerator is nothing but e power 2x whole square plus 2 times e power 2x plus 1 power 1 by 2 over denominator is e power 2x power 1 by 2 dx is equal to 3 by 2. This is equal to integration of 0 to a. So here this numerator, in numerator this e power 2x whole square plus 2 e power 2x plus 1 is a perfect square, that is equal to e power 2x plus 1 whole square power 1 by 2 over here e power 2x power 1 by 2 dx is equal to 3 over 2. Now this implies integration of 0 to a, so here 2 cancel, here also 2 cancel, this is e power 2x plus 1 over e power x dx is equal to 3 over 2. This implies integration of 0 to a e power 2x over e power 2x, that is e power x plus e power minus x dx is equal to 3 over 2. Now if you integrate it, e power x integration is e power x only, for e power x, and e power minus x integration is minus of e power minus x. 0 to a is equal to 3 over 2. Now put upper and lower limit, that is e power a minus e power minus a minus of e power 0 minus of e power minus 0 is equal to 3 over 2. This implies e power a minus e power minus a minus e power 0 1, e power minus 0 is 1 is equal to 3 by 2. This implies e power a minus 1 over e power a, this is 0, is equal to 3 by 2. This implies this is e power a whole square minus 1 over e power a is equal to 3 by 2. Now if we cross multiply, 2 times e power a whole square minus 2 minus 3 e power a is equals to 0. This implies 2 e power a whole square minus 3 e power a minus 2 is equals to 0. Now factorize it. This implies 2 e power a whole square minus 4 e power a plus e power a minus 2 is equals to 0. This implies we take out 2 e power a common from first two terms, that is 2 e power a into e power a minus 2 plus e power a minus 2 is equal to 0. This implies we take out e power a minus 2 common, that is e power a minus 2 into 2 e power a plus 1 is equal to 0. But this 2 e power a plus 1, this never be 0, since e power a plus 1, if 2 e power a plus 1 is equals to 0, e power a is equal to minus 1 by 2. This is not possible. So from this one, only possibility is that is only possibility is e power a minus 2 is equals to 0. That implies e power a is equals to 2. That implies if you apply log base e both sides, therefore a is equals to log base e 2. So this is the required value of a. This is the answer.